Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and getting essentials ready. First, confirm your laptop OS supports the dongle and that you have any required driver files. This prevents surprises. Next, make sure the SIM card is active and has a data plan, then insert it firmly into the dongle. Listen for a click. Once done, plug the dongle into a powered USB port and make sure to disable other network adapters to avoid routing conflicts, so the system focuses on this connection. You now install drivers and configure the connection, which is where most issues appear. If the OS doesn't auto-install, run the vendor setup on the dongle storage or download the latest driver. This ensures the modem enumerates correctly. Then open the connection manager, input the APN and any credentials. These settings let the carrier authenticate you. Finally, set adapter priority so the dongle is preferred over Wi-Fi when inserted. Doing so prevents routing confusion and keeps your traffic on the cellular link. You finish by testing and securing the connection to ensure ongoing reliability. Open a browser and load a few pages, then run a speed test and note signal bars. This confirms carrier registration. Make sure a firewall is active, and for privacy, use a VPN when on unfamiliar networks. If it fails, follow a quick debug. Remove and reinsert the SIM and dongle, reboot the laptop, and recheck APN settings and driver status. This resolves most problems without deep troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.